Okay, we're going to find the vertex, focus, and directrix of the equation given by x plus 2 quantity squared equals 3y minus 6. And the way we do that is we use the standard form of the equation of the parabola. X minus h quantity squared equals 4p times the quantity y minus k, where hk is the vertex and p is the directed distance from the vertex either to the focus or to the directrix. Well, if you go back and look at the original equation, it's almost in this form. We've got x plus 2 quantity squared on the left-hand side, so we don't need to do anything to that. And all we need to do to the right-hand side is factor out the coefficient of y, in other words, factor out the 3, so that we can get 1y in parentheses, and like we have right here. So if we do that, factor out that coefficient 3, and you'll have the quantity y minus 2 left in parentheses. And now the equation's more or less in standard form. We can just identify the vertex. The vertex is going to be given by, well, you can think of this as x minus a negative 2, so h must be negative 2. And this is y minus 2, y minus k, so k must be 2. So the vertex is negative 2, 2. Now, if you look at this equation, it's the equation of a parabola that opens up. I know this because p is going to be positive. 4p is equal to 3. 4p is the quantity in front of the quantity involving y. So 4p equals 3, which means p equals 3/4. When p is positive, we know that the parabola opens up, and we get this kind of picture. This is just a sketch, it's not an official graph. And we know when the parabola opens up, well, the focus point's up here, and the directrix is supposed to be a horizontal line down here, where this directed distance is p, and so is this distance. In other words, the distance from the vertex to the focus is p, and the distance down from the vertex to the directrix is p in this case. P can be negative at times, so I call it a directed distance. Okay, well, that means if I have the vertex, all I have to do is go up a distance of p from the vertex to arrive at the focus point. Well, that's easy enough. So the focus point, since I'm going up, I'm going to add 3/4 to the second coordinate of the vertex, and that'll take me to the focus point. And that's going to be the point negative 2 and 3/4, which is 11/4. And now I want to get to the directrix. The directrix is a horizontal line in this case. And all horizontal lines have the equation y equals some constant. Well, all I have to do then is figure out the height of this horizontal line, and the constant that y equals is that height. But the height is just going to be p units below the height of the vertex, which is given by 2. So to get the directrix, all I have to do is set y equal to 2 minus p, which is 3/4. Okay, so 2 minus 3/4, well, 2 is really 8/4, so it must be 5/4. And you really do want to write the equation as y equals 5/4. So that's your directrix.